Hello everyone. Welcome back to Hashmi English Tutor. I'm your host, Hashmi. On this channel, we help you learn real, simple, and practical English that you can use in your daily life.
Hello everyone, I'm Uman. I'm very happy to be here with you today.
Today's topic is very important, especially for students and today's generation.
Yes, today we are talking about consistency versus motivation.
This episode will help you improve your English and also improve your mindset.
So relax, take a deep breath, and let's begin.
Before we start the discussion, let's learn some useful English words.
These words are very common in daily English.
Consistency, doing something regularly, every day. Motivation, the feeling that makes you want to do something. Habit, something you do again and again. Discipline, control over yourself. Goal, something you want to achieve.
The effort, trying hard. Progress, moving forward step by step. Failure, when something does not work. Routine, daily schedule. Success, achieving your goal.
Try to use these words in your daily English sentences. This will improve your speaking. Now let's learn a simple grammar topic, the present simple tense. We use present simple for habits and routines.
Examples: I study English every day. I practice speaking. I follow a routine.
He feels motivated today. She stays consistent. They improve slowly. Now repeat after us.
I practice English daily.
I stay consistent.
Excellent. Keep practicing.
Let me tell you a simple story.
Meet two students. Their names are Ayan and Samir.
Ayan studies English only when he feels motivated.
Some days he studies for 2 or 3 hours. Some days he studies nothing.
Samir is different.
He studies English for just 30 minutes every day.
Even when he is tired, even when he is not motivated.
After 3 months, Samir speaks English with confidence.
Ayan is still waiting for motivation.
This is the power of consistency.
Motivation is like a feeling. It comes and goes.
You feel motivated one day and lazy the next day.
But consistency is a decision.
You decide to act even when you don't feel like it.
That's how habits are built.
Now think about yourself. Do you wait for motivation or do you follow a routine?
Answer in the comments, motivation or consistency.
Motivation starts the journey.
Consistency finishes it.
Small steps every day.
Create big success.
Repeat after us.
I don't wait for motivation.
I take action every day.
I build good habits.
I improve step by step.
Now it's your turn.
Write in the comments, what habit do you want to build?
If this video helped you, please like it.
Subscribe to Hashmi English Tutor for daily English practice.
Share this video with one friend who needs motivation today.
Remember, real English is simple English.
And consistency is the key to success.
Thank you for listening.
See you in the next episode. Keep learning, keep growing.